Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem now. Check concurrent users and requests per second so you know the scale. Once done, enable a short maintenance window or apply a soft rate limit to incoming sessions to blunt the spike. Make sure to capture baseline metrics, CPU, memory, and request latency, because you'll compare them after each change. You want immediate relief and a measurable before/after. That helps avoid guessing. Continue only after your baseline and throttling are in place. Now you move into the complex middle. Reduce origin load by pushing static assets to a CDN and setting a sensible TTL because caching cuts requests fast. Next, make session routing consistent. Sticky sessions or affinity prevents repeated full session rebuilds on every request. Then adjust the load balancer. Add instances, tweak pool sizes, and enable connection draining so you don't drop active users. Monitor latency as you change routing, and keep metrics visible. This tells you which tweak helped most. Finish by scaling and validating your fixes. Add instances incrementally, think 20 to 50%, and watch auto-scaling triggers to avoid overshoot. Then run synthetic traffic tests to simulate the peak, because validation proves stability before reopening full access. If traffic remains high or errors appear, isolate the problematic service, check for database locks or slow queries, and consider rolling back the last deployment. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the spike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.